pound.
That's really good for a pound. This is awesome.
As you can see from the title of this video, we're going to see if we can style a photo shoot for £20. So I am just heading out to Clitheroe to the charity shops to see if we can make that happen. Just spent £8 on the budget on a coat. Absolute bargain. This furry scarf for like £4. £3 left. I don't think I really need anything else, but I might try and find, I don't know, some glasses or something. Actually getting a bit giddy now. I've just seen some bright pink sparkly boots which I think will look amazing, so I'm hoping I can go back and get those and squeeze them in the budget. Too funny, she closed, so I had to beg her to let me in, and thankfully she did. I can't wait to show you. Hey everyone, it's now shoot day. As you can see, I have the lovely Grace here modelling for me today, and Grace has not seen the outfits that I have very kindly purchased for her. So we're going to do like one outfit at a time. I've got 3 outfits, all under £20 value, which is mad. And it just shows you how you can style a photo shoot for £20. First up, Grace, I have a lovely, it's actually from Reese this, £6 for Shrug. Why? Thought it'd look ace with these pants. These are Next pants.
Real reactions or not?
£5.
It's like opening presents on Christmas.
We have this wonderful white jacket. There's the real reaction. Number 2, I feel like these are really up your street as well.
They've got to be.
Some lovely combat pants.
They're cool.
£3.
They're cool.
Aren't they? They're like actually like silk.
Well, yeah.
But
That is my vibe.
is it your vibe?
Yeah.
I thought like you're just gonna absolutely rock this outfit. £3.
This is the cool. I'm loving this one.
And I thought, you know what? If you're going on safari and you're going seeing zebras, you need a Mac.
Whoa!
And £1.
That's really good for a pound. This is awesome. I like this.
I thought you might like a geometric jumper. Now this one might not be your vibe.
No, this is cool. Oh wow. Oh, this is actually sick. You know. You know what? I really enjoy this.
I thought you'd like that. Now this is a present from me to you.
Go with this outfit.
Yeah.
Are they going to be like big and chunky and silky?
Nah, they're pretty and girly and pink.
Oh, okay. I don't hate it. Actually, they're really cool. I don't hate it.
Aren't they good?
Yeah.
They're brand new. Tenner.
Tenner.
Brand new. They're actually a size 5 and I know you're a size 6, so if they don't appear in the video, these will be for sale on eBay somewhere.
Remind me of like Dorothy's shoes.
Yeah. I thought, how cool are they? Which outfit are we wearing? Zebra.
All of them, right?
All of them, yeah. Cool. Right, we're gonna let Grace get changed and we will see you in a minute with outfit number 1. Okay, so Grace has got changed now. She looks amazing in outfit number 1. Like a Hollywood movie star. I think the idea of this video was more so to like show you how you can style a photo shoot for 20 quid, but that looks more than 20 quid. What we'll do is we'll spend a couple of minutes shooting each outfit. So Grace, we'll pop you sort of just in front of that wall, I think, this time. I love the sunglasses, absolutely make it, I think. That's good. I'm just going to turn my white balance up a bit, and then I'm cooking with gas. That looks good, I like that. Cool. I didn't actually say what I'm actually doing today is I'm shooting a little bit different to normal. I'm shooting on the 24mm and the 50mm lens. Kind of nice to do something a little bit different. I do love the 50 for portraits, and I thought with it being a bit more fashion, the 24 wide angle would look brilliant. I think I'm going to prefer the 24. Oh my god, that looks so good. The jacket looks amazing. Fab. I'm just going to come back a little bit. I'm just going to take this off as well. Just want to get one of Grace's full length. Fab. Just keeping your face towards the window for me. I love how Grace moves. It just makes your life like so easy. That looks so good. I think that's good for here. We'll just do a couple in the middle with the leading lines here. Maybe we'll start off on the 50 again. I love the way the jacket sits. Just gonna go a little bit darker again. That's good. Yeah. Where do you learn all these poses from, Grace? I thought you looked like a Hollywood movie star. Come a little bit closer to you. Getting the Vogue going on. I think we'll just get a couple on the 24 here as well. Awesome. Yeah, I think we'll just do a couple by the window as well. So I could pop you by this fire point here. So you're just gonna kind of be leaning on this bit here. So it's quite dark in here now. So we're just kind of using as much natural light as we can. That looks good. Those glasses look ace. What's your favourite part of the outfit, Grace? Love it, love. I think we're good for outfit number one. I do love outfit number one. Grace is now going to put on probably, I don't know if it's your favourite or maybe your second favourite, outfit number two with a little cheeky raincoat, and we will see you in the next room. Hey everyone, welcome to outfit number two. Cheeky little camo set. Grace is now going on safari after today's shoot in a very waterproof, which I doubt is very waterproof at all. Anyway, I think it looks pretty cool. Okay, so I've chosen to like put Grace behind, no I'm not, she's in front of the red door, kind of sets off the yellow. Yeah, we'll see what we get. We're going to try and restrain ourselves to just this little area, just to try and keep it quite neat and to show you how many pictures you can get in a small space. I'm going to try and cut off that sign, so I'm going to come here. Love. The red looks really good against the yellow. In fact, I'll just do one here in this space. I'm going to shoot from down here. Let's see where we're at, angle-wise. Just come out with your body a little bit more. That's it. Yeah, that looks good. Grace is so good at posing. It's like you don't have to actually do anything. Might be a bit too dark, I just need a bit more light on your face. Why do I do that? So like I'm focusing on you and then I'm getting my composition. So I've kind of like locked on you. Are you like, what are you doing? It's like you can't make your mind up. We'll just be so used to it. This is good. Probably shouldn't like focus and recompose that much, to be fair. Just gonna move it to the outer edge. Yeah, that's good. Just keeping your face towards the window. That's brilliant, thank you. Yeah, good. I'm super happy with these. That looks really good. And I think just a couple on the stairway and then I am good. Non-stretchy pants. Good. I like the leading lines on the stairs. I would not normally go for a staircase, but the way that the edges are painted white, it just looks super, super good. Go in. Nice. Yeah, that looks good. And then I'll just do a couple from this angle. If you just stay on that step for me, Grace. I'll shoot from down here, I think. Yeah, that looks good. It's weird, like the yellow like really pops out. Well, I mean, it's not weird, is it? It's yellow. It's yellow, it's popping. It's popping wherever she's at. I think I'll just do one from up here as well. Just lean forward a little bit more for me. That's good. Perfect. Awesome. Thank you. Let's get on to outfit number 3 and we'll just shoot the final bit in the last room. of the £20 outfit challenge. What's your favourite outfit so far?
So far, there's only been 2. The first one was a lot warmer.
Was it? Is the jacket's not suitable for safari then?
Oh, have you felt this? It's so thin.
What I love is you can actually see the zebra through it.
No, it's just cool. It's really cool,
A pound for the jacket. Okay, outfit number 3. We've got this like sassy little jumper, metallic skirt, and the Dorothy shoes. I mean, you can't go wrong. 20 quid, guys. 20 quid. I mean, I'm not too sure if I've styled this one right, but I just got a bit giddy with shoes. They do look good though.
It looks good.
They look good. Maybe just on that stone one away. It's so weird because like if I was shooting wedding stuff, I'd never shoot like this. I'm quite enjoying it. I'm actually just gonna like lie on the floor for a sec. I want to get like super low. Oh yeah. I've got that many clothes on, I don't even feel like I can move in my jacket. Okay. I think you are on an ASO shoot, Grace. Awesome. Do you like these windows? Just need your head towards one of the windows a little bit more. Yeah, that's good. It's weird how you find like different stuff the more you shoot. Right, let's look. Sorry, that was a good one that. We'll just move on to a different space. I think I will just use this little staircase. If I can just ask you to go up the little staircase, Grace. Yeah, that's good. I don't think anything's going to beat that corner that we've just been in. Oh, but that does look good. It's like you're just like stepping out of it. It's mad. Might get you to come down one more step if you can, just because of the window light again. That's good. Yeah, that's good. I feel like I want to be a fashion photographer now. Absolutely loving this. Yeah, I think I'm like seriously happy with these. I think we're going to wrap up today's shoot right there. Grace, thank you so much. That was ace. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video and it's given you some inspiration on how you can style a photo shoot for £20. Let me know how you get on in the comments and like and subscribe to see more videos like this, and I'll see you next time.